Imagine ditching the never-ending pile of paperwork and reclaiming your precious time with the power of automation. That's exactly what we're unlocking today. This video is your express ticket to understanding how Zapier, the ultimate automation tool, can revolutionize your school life, whether you're a teacher buried in grading or a student juggling a million deadlines. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, the central hub for all your automation magic. Let's tackle grading. Imagine automatically logging student responses from Google Forms into a Google Sheet. Choose Google Forms as your trigger app. This is the event that starts the automation. Select New Form Response as your trigger, then connect your Google account and select the specific form you want to monitor. Next, set up your action app. Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as your action. Connect your Google account again and select the spreadsheet where you want the data to be logged. Map the form fields to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Now, every time a student submits a form, the responses will automatically populate your spreadsheet. Now, let's automate reminders. Connect Google Calendar as your trigger app, using New Event as the trigger. Set the trigger to look for upcoming test dates or assignment due dates. Then, connect Slack as your action app, using Send Channel Message as the action. Customize the message to remind students about the upcoming deadline. Set a time delay, like 1 day before. Now, students automatically receive reminders in Slack. No more forgotten deadlines. The possibilities are endless. Explore connecting Zapier to other tools like Remind, Canvas, Blackboard, and more. Experiment with different triggers and actions to find the perfect automation flows for your unique needs. With Zapier, you can reclaim your time, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters, empowering your students to succeed. So, dive in, explore, and unlock the automation potential that awaits you.